Good morning, sugar pies. How we doing? How we feeling? Happy Tuesday. I just pulled my hair down from its little hair clip, and so it's all over the place because you guys know what I do every morning, pull it back while I do my makeup, and then I usually will take it down, but before, I say within an hour after I get to work, it's back up. Sometimes it's back up in the car. So anyway, I thought I'd come on this happy Tuesday morning and do an OOTD for you. So I'm gonna start by sharing with you some of the jewelry that I have on. I went back and threw on my bangle bracelets that I have not worn in a long time. I have on my sterling silver. Of course, this is my darling gift from my friend. And then this is my, I was gonna say James Avery, not James Avery. Why do I have these issues in the morning? I think I'll be just tired or something. Brighton. No. Yeah. This is my Brighton bracelet that I have, and then of course these are just my sterling silver bracelets, and I'm wearing my Coach watch today. I kind of been wearing that lately. I kind of get on these little funks, you know, and I just wear the same thing over and over again for a bit. And then of course I have on all kinds of James Avery rings, and then this ring is the ring that I wear all the time. You guys know that. That's my famous thumb ring. And then if I back up and share with you my outfit of the day, I actually have on, okay, y'all know I have these issues with my sinuses and my allergies, and I'm gasping for breath right now, so y'all bear with me. It has been a horrible experience this year, but I've been worse, so I'm very thankful. I mean, I have been like in the bed, couldn't even get up, so I'm thankful. But yeah, so I have on, this is a top that I got from, I think Target, or was it JC Penney's? I can't remember. I have to look at the tag in the back. But I've had this top for like several years. I wash it, I love it. It's just that top that fits the right amount of big. Actually, it is JC Penney. It fits the right amount of big, you know what I mean? Like, I just love it. And I looked at it last night when I was folding up all that laundry and putting it all away, and I thought, I'm gonna wear that tomorrow. So I ended up throwing that on today. And then underneath, I have on kind of a burgundy tankini, which all of my tankinis pretty much come from Target. So I love having that little pop of color. And of course, you guys know I'm sporting my camouflage pants. And this is the pair that I got from Macy's. I love these. These have kind of like the pockets on these are a little bit more pronounced, I guess is the word I'm looking for. I'm not real sure, but anyway, that's how the pockets are elongated, so I have lots more room to stick my hands in the pocket. They're not just a typical denim type pocket, they're more like the cargo type pocket, I guess. So anyway, and I do have them rolled up a little bit, but yeah, and I'm not hiding my bum today. And I don't have on anything from TJ Maxx. Oh man, I just broke a record, I think. No hiding the bum and nothing from TJ Maxx. Who'd have thunk it? So anyway, and then of course, I don't know how well I'll be able to show you guys. Let me see if I can. Oh, and I'm carrying my Brahman bag. I am carrying my Brahman bag today. I've been carrying this now for the last couple of days, I guess. I had another bag that I was carrying, and I just kind of got burned out with that one, and I thought, I'm just gonna, when all else fails, I go back to my Brahmans, because I actually really love the Brahman line. I think they're great bags. They seem to always fit your purpose, if you know what I mean. Like, they have the right amount of compartments, they have the right amount of sturdybility. Sturdybility, is that a word? I don't know. But anyway, let me show you these. I have my camera actually up higher today, which I don't know if I like that, because when I back up, I don't know if you can see me as well. But I'm going to make an attempt to show you my combat boots that I'm wearing, which these are by 9 West, I think. I think these are by 9 West. But these are my combat boots that I have. I've had them forever. I bought these from TJ. Okay, I guess I lied, because my boots came from TJ Maxx. It just dawned on me. I bought these from TJ Maxx. I've had them for, yikes, about 4 years probably. And I don't wear them very often. I wear them with specific outfits, you know, combat boots, you know, you wear them with specific things, because that's the type of boots they are. They're not your everyday boot. So they still look really good. And I actually love them with this outfit. I just feel like I have the right amount of going on. Okay, come on camera. Okay, there we go. So anyway, I am going to head on out and head to my car and get this day started. I will see you guys in a short. Bye. Hey there, chicken pies. How we doing? How we feeling? Yes, I'm back at home. It is like 9 o'clock at night, and I did not vlog on my way to work. I did not vlog on my way home. And then I ran out because I mentioned to you all that I needed to get some new knobs for my bathroom cabinets. The guy's gonna come on Thursday to put them up. So I set out to go to a few places to kind of look at knobs, and I did find some that I really love. So I ended up getting some from Lowe's, which that's what's in this bag here. And I'll just show those to you once I get them on the bathroom cabinets. You know, they're just knobs. Well, I mean, they're cute knobs. Major decision. I didn't know I was gonna have such a hard time. I was just literally going, do I buy a pack that's less expensive and you can get like all of them in one pack? I mean, I paid the same as I would have for the pack, but I got less items. The pack had 20 in it, and this one had like 10. Well, buying them separate, I got like 10. But I was able to get something a little bit more personalized, like, you know, something that I felt represented me a little bit more than had I gotten the pack, and then both bathrooms would have been alike. And this way I was able to kind of, you know, make each bathroom have their own individual look. So anywho, I'm so excited about that. And yeah, look at that, guys. The table is virtually cleaned off. Like, okay, I know there's a little bit of mess on there. These are my knobs. And then I have some of my LED lights because I'm trying to figure out, like, I want to get all my LED lights all like in every room, but of course that's a process. So, but yeah, so I'm coming along on all the little things that I have going on. The clothes are now gone from the couch. They're all folded and put away. I actually feel almost normal right now. But I know that when I get ready to start doing the table, then honestly though, it won't be so bad because the table will just be an individual thing being done by itself. And I just can't have anything on the table. So that'll make it easy. But right now, the goal is to try to do it on Saturday. There's a part of me that wants to rest this weekend because I feel like I haven't had any rest. But then there's that part of me that says, go ahead and do it. Then it'll be out of the way. Comment below and tell me, what should I do? Do I do it Saturday or wait and do it another weekend? But if I do it Saturday, it'll be completely out of the way. It'll be done. And my goal is to like get it done like as fast as possible. Like maybe even starting on Friday night. I don't know. I got to think about that. Or do I wait a couple weeks? Because of course the next weekend I have my grandbaby, so it won't happen that weekend. So do I wait another weekend and do it that next weekend? I don't think I want to do that. I think I want it done this weekend. When is Valentine's Day? Not that I mean I don't really, I'm not that person to get all into Valentine's Day. But I'm like, when is Valentine's Day? I don't want to be working on Valentine's Day. I don't get all into it, but I sure don't want to be like slaving over a table. But I don't think it's on the weekend. I think it's during the week. I think. Anywho, it doesn't matter. But yeah, so comment below and tell me what I should do as far as doing my table. I'm pretty sure I'm going to do it this weekend, but I'm just curious to see what you all are going to say. And yeah, so I've got some dinner going on over here. Yummy. I've got some fish. And I thought I was going to have Brussels sprouts, but those don't look like Brussels sprouts to me. Looks like it's zucchini. Honestly, you know, zucchini is probably my less like flute. I don't know where I was going with that word. Zucchini is actually my least like vegetable. I will eat it, but honestly, I don't know that I like it. Like, I don't know. I don't know. But it looks like that's what I have, so I guess I'll eat it. But yeah, I wonder if anyone knows that about me. Like, I've not ever been a real big zucchini person. I mean, I really think it has no taste. Like, you know, like you have to do a lot to it. I can eat it like when it's in soups and things like that because it kind of blends in with the soup. But alone by itself, like, it just has no taste to me. But anyway, so yeah, so that is my evening, and I'm getting ready to go ahead and settle in for the night. I need to get this up so that it'll be ready for you guys to view tomorrow morning. So try to stay on track, ladies and gents. Hey, by the way, I've got a great, oh my gosh, I have an awesome, I'm about to lose my battery, so if I just cut out, you guys know I love you. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, all that good stuff. but I have my video already planned out for Sunday, but I will have to do it like this week. Like I need to do it like maybe tomorrow. I was actually gonna do it tonight. I actually have 2 other videos to do as well, but this week is gonna get away from me. I didn't plan to be at the store as long as I was tonight, so yeah, so gotta work on that. But my PJs and coffee time video for Sunday is going to be amazing, so make sure, please do not forget to tune in for that video. Sunday morning, it will be up, ready to view. I will get it done because I know Saturday I'm gonna have a rough Saturday and I really need to get started early. So I'm going to try to record that video maybe like tomorrow night, like when I get home from church, because tomorrow I'm going to church. But yeah, it's gonna be amazing. It's gonna be dedicated to, I won't even tell you just yet. It's just gonna be an amazing video. So anyhow, yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and get off. I need to eat me some food. I am starving. Yes, I am. I will see you guys in tomorrow's vlog. Take care. Bye.